In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a console app in Salesforce. The process is straightforward, but it's important to ensure we follow each step carefully to set everything up correctly. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to head over to the Salesforce homepage. This is where our journey begins, and it's a familiar landing zone if you've been working within Salesforce for any amount of time. Take a moment to get comfortable with the layout if you're not already. Next, you'll want to locate the Quick Settings icon on your screen. Clicking this will open up a new range of options for your Salesforce environment. Once you've opened the Quick Settings, look for the option that says Open Advanced Setup and select it. This setup is crucial as it provides you with the tools needed to access deeper customization features within Salesforce. After this, type App Manager into the search bar on the setup screen and press Enter. You'll see a list from which you should select App Manager. The App Manager is where you can see all the apps currently available and ensure the one you're about to create doesn't duplicate any existing functionalities. Now it's time to click on New Lightning App. This will begin the creation of our console app, so make sure you're prepared with the name and details you want. Once prompted, type the desired name for your app and a corresponding developer name. These should reflect the function and utility of the app so that it's easily identifiable in the future. The next screen will let you focus on images and color schemes. Here you can upload an image that represents your app well. Further down, pay attention to the primary color hex value. You can either stick with the default or choose a color that aligns with your company's branding. With this setup complete, proceed by clicking Next. On the subsequent screen, focus on the navigation style. You'll want to choose Console Navigation. This is integral as it sets your app to work within the console framework, allowing for a more cohesive user experience. After confirming console navigation, click Next again. Here you'll want to add a utility item by choosing from the available ones listed. These utilities are added tools or features that enhance your app's functionality. Once you've selected, proceed by clicking Next. Pay close attention to the Available Items section following this, where you choose the specific items to be included within your app. After you've made your selections, ensure you click Add, and then move forward by selecting Next. The next few steps involve selecting available profiles. These profiles dictate who can access and use the app within your Salesforce environment. Choose the necessary profiles and make sure to add them before clicking Next yet again. Finally, it's time to click on Save and Finish. This saves your console app and completes the setup process, ensuring your app is ready for use. Congratulations on setting up your Salesforce console app.